Dear friends, did you notice that negative people attract unhappy people? They not only lead a miserable life but also push others into it. If you are tired of the company of such pessimistic people and want to generate more positives in your life, it's time to take the control into your hands. If you want to be a person with positive attitude, a stronger, well adjusted, and successful person, then identify these 10 causes and cures for your unhappiness and act now. You will definitely find that you have started attracting positive and happier people into your life. These people will bring peace and prosperity into your life. So, let's see these common issues related to unhappiness. First one is jealousy. This is a major issue for many people. Jealousy over a companion, things other people have, accomplishments that have been made, and so on, can be very damaging to you and people around you. To cure, admit you have it, then learn to focus on positives in your own life. You may not have been born rich or thin or handsome, but you have got some things going on for you. Embrace them and take the pleasure in celebrating other success, and you will be a whole lot of happier. Secondly, insecurity. This may go hand in hand with jealousy, but not always. Fear of failure, fear of losing a loved one, a job, or something else of value can be crippling. Make a habit of appreciating what you have while you have it. Take a positive stand in life and remember that whatever will happen. This will lessen the fear of insecurity. Third, low self-esteem. This is the most common causes and cures of unhappiness. When self-esteem is low, happiness doesn't generally stand a chance. Learn to focus on your positives, work on overcoming or compensating for what you perceive as negatives, and you can gain some control over your life. If you appreciate your strengths, others will also appreciate them. Use self affirmations, positive vibes, and develop your skills. Improve your appearance. Simply do something to make yourself feel better about who you are. Fourth one is negativity. Viewing the world as a glass that's always half empty can drag on happiness for yourself and others around you. Refocus your thoughts on positives in your life. Positive affirmations can come in handy here. So, can taking stock of what's right rather than what's wrong. Fifth one, lack of communication. If you have communication problems with a loved one, happiness will suffer. Learn to open up, share, and listen to cure this common problem of unhappiness. Sixth one is lack of personal fulfillment. Most of the time, we spend our life trying to make other people happy. We never stop to consider ourselves. Allow yourself some me time to develop your personal interest and hobbies. Seventh, depression. This is one of the major issues. If your depression is lasting, please see a professional as soon as possible. You don't have to suffer every day from depression. Please reach out. Eighth, irrational thoughts. Allow your thoughts to run wild and unhappiness is likely to follow. You cure this problem, acknowledge irrational thoughts, face them head on, and work to overcome them. Ninth, lack of control. Many people want to have control over themselves, others in their lives, and everything that happens to them. This just isn't possible. Learn to accept what not everything or everyone is controllable, and that is okay. 10th, lack of significant other. All too often, people believe that they need someone else to make them happy. The truth is, no one is responsible for your happiness but only you. Learn to appreciate yourself, decide to be happy, and other positives are likely to fall into place in your life. Friends, I hope you might have liked this video. Hit the like button and subscribe my channel. You may help your friends by sharing this video. Don't forget to click the bell button to get the notifications of my new videos. Thank you for watching.